The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Public administration. Reform administrative and bureaucratic practices to reinforce transparency, accountability, and efficiency in the government. The National Library of Kuwait is an imposing edifice overlooking the Arabian Gulf Road. Located beside the National Museum, this airy, beautiful structure, which incorporates subtle adaptations of several key elements of Islamic architecture, including a liberal use of arabesque, is a significant national landmark. The vision is to consolidate the role of the library in preserving the history of Kuwait, illuminating its present, and safeguarding national memory. The mission of the library is to be a beacon of culture and knowledge and a national civil center that encompasses and safeguards scientific, creative, and literary production. In 1994, by way of Emiri Decree No. 52 of 1994, the library was renamed and established as the National Library of Kuwait with the following main objectives: to compile, organize, document, and preserve Kuwaiti heritage and national intellectual production and property; to develop and collect our literature and information concerning Kuwait, its history, the history of the Gulf and the Arabian Peninsula in both Arabic and foreign languages; to maintain and protect the rights of authors, inventors, owners of artistic works, as well as intellectual property rights; to act as the National Center for Integration within the Unified National Index; to upgrade the performance of nationals operating in libraries and information centers sector, and to train them on the latest technology systems in the field of library work; to coordinate and cooperate with national libraries, research centers, public and special libraries, as well as concerned unions for the promotion and the common development of library studies and for the enrichment of library collections and technical systems.
The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 5 themes or desired outcomes and 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Each pillar has a number of strategic programs and projects that are desired to have the most impact on achieving the vision of New Kuwait. From News KTV, a number of ministers confirmed 6 projects within the development plan will be completed in the first quarter of 2019. And from Kuwait account, 6 development projects to complete by 2019. For more information or details regarding Kuwait development account, please visit the website on the screen.
The field hospital in the Kuwait International Fair continues to provide excellent medical support for patients of the COVID-19 virus. As the latest statistics demonstrate, the numbers of cured cases are on the increase daily. The facility is equipped with many beds, emergency unit, and an ICU. In efforts to improve the facility, the hospital plans to increase beds in order to receive more patients and to be prepared.
Kuwait Field Hospital is one of the field hospitals that's been established by the Ministry of Health. This hospital has been established in collaboration between the health sector as well as the oil sector, Quebec and the KOC company. This project was started at the beginning of April and it was completed within 2 weeks. And it was in operation by the 1st of May. Since then, we start receiving patients. We receive patients from all nationalities. All patients has to be referred from the general hospital after discussing the cases with the central dispatch team at the Ministry of Health. So there is no walk-in at the current time, and all patient has to be referred.
The field hospital is well sanitized and ventilated in efforts to stop the virus from further spreading. Medical staff are equipped with the best medical gear to protect themselves and their families from getting infected, which allows medical professionals to continue doing their jobs and saving lives and to continue to cure more cases every day.
Kuwait Credit Bank announced on April 16 of the year 2016 the signing of follow-up contract and supervision of the construction of the new headquarters building in the South Asura area with the project management company. The duration of the contract is 3 years, during which the contracting company shall assume the responsibility of supervising the construction works of the project. That project is one of the most important projects included in the budget of Kuwait Credit Bank and is part of its construction plans to accommodate that growing number of customers. The project includes a building consisting of 11 floors and the emergency shelter of about 300 people, as well as a multi-story parking building for about 1,800 cars with pedestrian tunnel to connect them. The project is designed in accordance with the smart building technology, which facilitates communication building management and facilitating access to various services. In addition to be a sophisticated and environmental friendly building with a highly efficiency to provide energy. The project is expected to be completed in full and officially delivered in first half of 2020. 40 million Kuwaiti dinar cost of the new building of the Kuwait Credit Bank project with environmentally friendly specifications. The new building project of Kuwait Credit Bank was awarded the Best Smart Project Award during the Smart City Solutions Conference. The project is part of the plans of the Kuwait Credit Bank to expand through the opening of more branches and service centers in order to reach the citizen wherever he is and the suffering. The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 5 themes or desired outcomes and 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Each pillar has a number of strategic programs and projects that are desired to have the most impact on achieving the vision of New Kuwait. From News KTV, a number of ministers confirmed 6 projects within the development plan will be completed in the first quarter of 2019. And from Kuwait account, 6 development projects to complete by 2019. For more information or details regarding Kuwait development account, please visit the website on the screen.